Rồi, hello, chào mừng anh em quay trở lại với kênh YouTube của mình. Thì hôm nay mình sẽ tiếp tục chơi cái tựa game Free Fire City chương 5 nha anh em. Thì mình đang chơi chương 5 này. Cửa vào.
Stop wasting time. What's your plan?
Bỏ qua đoạn này nha anh em.
To put it
Bỏ qua
simple,
đoạn này cho
a
anh em.
quality game drop major cash and some profit.
Ok. Việt Nam thì anh em tại bản ở thị trường Việt Nam thì nó sẽ có tiếng Việt, anh em lúc đó sẽ dễ dàng làm nhiệm vụ hơn. Còn tiếng Anh thì anh em làm nhiệm vụ rất là khó, tại vì mình phải đọc hiểu tiếng Anh mà mình mới làm được. Còn mình đang làm được cái máy mình đi cho nhanh. Đây, từ từ từ.
Get out of my way!
Hold our communities together and the importance of standing up for what's right.
Where the rivers flow, there's a place I call home, where memories grow, fields of gold and skies so blue. In my hometown, dreams come. Oh, sweet home, where the mountains rise and the valleys sing beneath the skies. But there's a darkness lurking in the shadows deep, a fight against violence. We found a key through the rolling and endless plains, where the sunshine kisses fields of grain. But beneath
I've cased the place. On that path,
I brought a camera.
Ok.
I'll look out for you downstairs.
Ok.
I'm here.
On your left, snap that vehicle checkpoint. It's the only entrance to the warehouse.
Nhấn chụp được. Đây, chụp cái này, chụp hình âm này. Ủa? Xem chụp anh em. Phải phóng to ra. Ok. Này mới chụp được. Okay.
We need to scout Iguana's security positions. Figure out where their men locate.
Wait, something's off. You see the guy with his back turned to us? Seems fishy to me.
Cuộc giao dịch gì đây này. Ok, mình bỏ qua cho nó nhanh nha.
Damn! I think I've got the cellar of this hall.
Wrap up the shoot and get out of there quickly. No wonder the security is tight. Lucky break.
Okay,
Now it's up to our hacker to do some digital digging.
Hey, Lucky J.
Bingo! The genius has already located a vehicle with access clearance of shipping yard. But getting its schedule is gonna be tricky. Kay said he knows a guy named Richmond who has a way out. Go find him. I'll send you the address.
Good news. I caught the seller cutting deals with Fareed. Just sent you the video for you to ID the guy.
Get the fuck off! Holy moly! Things always go smoothly when I'm in the mix. Hold on. Let me see. Damn, bitch! Hell no, man. I mean, damn! It all makes sense now, bro. This woman, Fiona, is some big shot international arms dealer. It turns out Marie got himself a batch of weapons. We're dealing with some big shot now. Dude, I'm so amped up. My crowd team has got turned on now. Snap the whip with the port pass ASAP.
Touch our soul
Ghê thật chứ.
in your embrace.
Get out of my way!
Seraphina, you're the queen of the night. Your melody with every note. You steal the show. In your presence, we're all aglow.
Cái khách ngoài này
With every
Get off my way!
ok.
you touch our soul in your
Những nhiệm vụ này là nhiệm vụ lái taxi anh em ơi. Nhiệm vụ lái taxi để mình cút trúng chiếc taxi luôn, làm nhiệm vụ luôn.
with every note. You steal the show in your presence.
Lái xe
If you want tips,
Rồi.
give me a wild ride. Drive on the wrong side of the
Wasn't
road.
that just
Wrong
enchanting?
side.
Let's keep the magic alive with our next track, Echoes of Resurrection. This hauntingly beautiful piece delves into themes of death, resurrection, liberation, and hope, weaving a tapestry of emotions that will linger in your mind long after the music ends.
rồi 3 người. Còn bao nhiêu nữa? Ủa nó sẽ
I find myself in a dreamless sleep, but in the depths of dark, guides me through the
tai nạn cái
Come on, give me a break.
chi bung cửa lúc ngoài em ơi.
Death is not the end, but a passage to freedom.
Ở chỗ nào đây? À, này nó vẫn dẫn này nè.
Still of the night, promise of
I hope you enjoyed those soul-stirring melodies as much as I did. Stay tuned to Groove Jazzosis for more jazz-infused bliss. Thanks for tuning in.
Bây giờ phải đi tìm Rickman tại tìm Rickman tại Đây con ra. Nói chuyện với đi lan. Không phải. Mở cửa này vô hay sao thế? Chạy chừng nào cho lên tới đích chợ. Dạ. Nữa ra, chốt ra chỗ nào, chốt đây.
Yeehaw! Somebody's wanted citywide! Bro, did you pull on your grandma's skirt? Get it together and move your slow ass!
Let's cut to the chase. If you want to make money, come to
Làm
legendary.
gì mà tới lâu vậy? Lên xe, lái xe chở đi à. Lái xe
Long shot to the step. Yo, I'm the boss of the top-ass gang. My shot's the name. From Loyola to every block, I've earned my fame. In the streets of the city, I reign supreme. A rap legend, living out my wildest dream.
Theo dõi xe này à.
Stand tall and strong. In Loyola, our legacy will forever.
Carefully! Oh no, he sees me. He's trying to get away.
Tribulations, we
Hey,
stay.
handsome, although I don't like cars with stars, you have to make him stop ASAP. Otherwise, when he drives to the warehouse, we won't have a second chance to get that car. Hit it, hit it!
And the Topaz gang will forever stay.
Sometimes we have to be rough, so hit the car you're tracking!
But hold on to your seats, folks, because we got one more bombshell coming your way. Get ready for That's the Truth, a track that's stirring up some serious beef between Topaz Gang and the Iguana Gang.
Well done. I believe we'll have more collaborations in the future.
Just park your ride at Kay's garage for now. But I'm telling you, you're gonna need your own chop shop real soon. Since we're cool, I'll send you a solid wreck. Keep an eye on your phone.
I'm gonna say it again. If you ever want to get rich, Legendary Auto is the place.
Lần đầu tiên.
I've got the car. I'll leave it. Let's go.
No worries.
Rồi thì clip này mình sẽ kết thúc ở đây nha anh em. Clip này cũng dài, khá là dài rồi đó.